Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to give you guys some swatches for this new concealer I recently got. It's not new on the market. It's been around for a year and a half or two, I think. I'm not sure, but anyway, I just got it today, and the shade range for this J.Cat Staysurance concealer is a little bit off. It's weird, a little bit like hard to match if you don't know. So if you're thinking about this shade, I also got another. This is the under eye fatigue, like primer for the under eye before you put on top of the before you put the concealer on. So you go put this on first, so it's like a primer. Anyway, that's why I want to try. I got this because I want to try it to see how it is. Okay, this one is about $5, and this concealer is about $8. I got it at Face Value store. I think it's the sister store of Bed Bath & Beyond, because I was able to use their coupon, the Bed Bath & Beyond coupons, the 20% off coupons. So it saved me like $1 for both of this. Yeah. So anyway, this color is buff. I got the shade buff. I was usually I'm light, medium, or medium, but concealer wise I'm using like a little bit lighter under the eye, so it'd be a little bit brightening. That's why I decided to go with this color, buff. There's another shade after this. It's called soft tan. I was debating whether should I take that one or this one, but I want my eye to be a little brightening, so I decided to get this one, the buff. Let's see how many ounce is it. I drove like 35 minutes from where I live to this place. This is a Face Value store. They don't have many brands, so the best place I think to get this concealers is on the website. Their website, the J.Cat website. It say that is lightweight, waterproof, buildable formula, medium to full coverage. For me, I would say this concealer is light to medium coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, because usually this kind of packaging, the thick kind of bottle concealer, I thought it would be similar to the short tart shape tape. It would be thick, but surprisingly it was lightweight. I thought it's gonna be thick, but you know, God, I'm trying to put this. Okay, see, this the color is perfect for under eyes. If you are light to medium skin tone, you can use this. It blends pretty well. It's thin, it's natural looking. I like it. That's a color buff, but if you blend it out a lot, the color will be oxidizing a little bit once you put it under your eye, so it's okay. If you set it with a powder, then in about like 10 minutes it would not be looking too bright. But if you are darker than medium tan, I feel like this color might not be for you. This is the buff. Yeah, so be like this. So if you have if it's too bright under your eyes, another recommendation, a trick that I want to recommend you guys is use like a bronzer, a light bronzer, or a colors, like a skin tone color powder foundation. You can lightly set it on top of the concealer under your eyes, so the color might be will be matching with your face. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like it. I like how it look. I have a clip that with me wearing it. One side I wore it, and the other side I didn't wear it, so you guys can see. And anyway, let's take a look at this one. They have a variety, like a couple options for this anti-fatigue eye balm. This is the cucumber and aloe extract. I thought cucumber is like calming to the eye, so I got this one. Then many other flavor, not flavor but scents, I guess. This one is the mint kind of looking one. It's balmy. Oh, this all kind of balmy product like this under the eyes. I feel like it's the same. This one is $5, so cheap. That's why I want to get it. See, it's clear. I read reviews about this product. Some people don't like it. I think the reason they don't like it because they feel like they do nothing to their under eyes. But for me, I feel like if you really take your time and press it in, like under your eyes, if you have really dry under eyes, you just massage it, press it in, and let it sink in a little bit before you put on your concealer. I feel like it helped with the hydration. I mean, for a $5 products, what do you expect? You expect too much, you know? I think it's okay product. It's not bad, but it doesn't like wow, like, you know, like do anything special. But I feel like it does add hydration to your under eyes. It's a good product, I think so, for $5. So yeah, see, you see how it oxidized a little bit. Before it was white, like lighter, but now it's kind of almost matching to my other skin tone. My hands, this side, you know. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out, and please thumb up on this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. I try very hard, you know. Okay, anyway, talk too much. Bye, see you guys later.